In this lesson, we are looking at comments, a simple but powerful tool that lets you leave plain English notes right inside your Python code. A comment is a line, or part of a line, that Python completely skips over. It exists purely for you and anyone else reading the code. Think of comments like sticky notes scribbled in the margin of a recipe. They help the cook understand the dish, but they never end up on the plate. The very first line starts with a hash symbol. That makes the whole line a comment. Python reads it and immediately moves on without doing anything with it. Lines 2 and 3 contain actual Python code that does run. Notice line 3 has a comment tagged on at the end after the hash. Python runs the code before the hash and ignores everything after it. Lines 4 and 5 finish the calculation and print the result. There are no comments here, and that is fine. Add a comment only when it genuinely helps a reader understand why. When we run the file, the only thing printed is 54.0, the total with tip. Both comments were completely invisible to Python, exactly as intended. 3 things to take away. The hash starts a comment, Python ignores it completely, and the best comments explain the reason behind your code, not just what it literally does.